Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Naveed Nabi. No matter whatever you want to become in life, a politician, a businessman and women, whatever you want to become, a corporate leader, whatever you do, make sure to put Allah first. Islam should be the priority of your life. The journey of this life is not sunshine or rainbow. You will face sadness, humiliation, rejections from fickle and good for nothing, impractical type of people. You will fail millions of times, my friend. You will be rejected. While going for your dreams, my friends, listen to this carefully. While going for your dreams, you will be left with zero resources. And I know some of you are already exhausted by experiencing these heartbreaking, heart-wrenching moments. Despite that, know that Allah has things planned for you. If Allah is on your side, you should move forward with confidence, courage, diligence. Your best days are out there waiting for you as long as you believe in Allah and give your best shot and try your best. What you have to do now is to use this gigantic, unused, untapped brain which performs 38,000 trillion operations per second. So it's called the world's most sophisticated super duper computer in the world. Use it, my young friends, especially the Muslim youngsters. Use this brain or you will lose it. My brothers and sisters, worship Allah. Work extremely hard. Break some bones. It's okay to break some bones. While achieving your dreams, stay disciplined. Be patient and persistent. Remain humble. You are braver than you believe. You are stronger than you seem, smarter than you think. You are created for a purpose in this life, so play your part. You have to flourish, and you need to start with small victories, even if you have big dreams. The journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single steps, my friends. So just use this gigantic, untouched, massive computer brain, and your better days are definitely and will definitely come, inshallah. Everything will be okay in the end, inshallah. If it's not okay, then that's not the end, my friends. Dream big, start small, act now, believe in Allah, and victory will be yours. Thank you very much. If you have comments, suggestions, please hit up the comment sections. May Allah bless you all. Love you all.